I've already done my organic geometric shapes with the selection tool. I want to show you how to work with some other things. So let's say that I just want straight lines. I'm going to show you how to use the pen tool. Now the pen tool is located right here, and it looks like this. And if you just hit the letter P, it'll automatically give you the pen tool. If you mouse down, you can see there's other options, and I can talk a little bit about these. Honestly, we're not going to play a lot with these today. So here's how this works. You see how if you look closely, when I draw on here, there's a little asterisk by my pen. So if I just click, don't mouse down, just click, and I click again, I end up with a line. And if I click again, it just keeps drawing. And I can draw pretty much whatever I want. And then when I'm done, when I come back to the first anchor point I created, and this is important, you want to create a closed shape. You see how there's a circle around the pen. So if I click again, first of all, I no longer have the pen tool activated, but also it's a completely closed shape. There's no openness. So in other words, what you don't want to do is this: click, 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 get it kind of close and say, okay, I'm done, and then click on the selection tool and click away, because that's not a closed shape. What you want instead, and this is, you're going to practice this just like it says at least 4 times. Start with an asterisk, click away, make some kind of geometric shape of your choice. Looks like a lightning bolt. And then make sure you have that little circle when you're all done, like that. You know, and of course, after the fact, if you want to, you can manipulate these anchor points to your heart's content. Now, if you wanted to, let me make 2 more, and I'll show you another trick. If you want to, you can, once you have these done, so that's 1 more, and last one, click, 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 super easy. And I'll just show you what happens. If you mouse down and drag, you get a curve. But again, that gets complicated. So let's just avoid that for now and close this off. So now that I have this, I'm going to go back with my direct selection tool. And of course, I can modify these after the fact. So if I like what I did, but like I say, you know what, I kind of want this over more like here. That's fine. I kind of want to get rid of this anchor point here. Watch this. I can come in with this subtract anchor point. And as long as I'm clicking on the anchor point itself, it deletes it. If I want to add an anchor point, I can click there, and so it's kind of cool to be able to do that. So create 4 geometric shapes, and that's how you use the pen tool to create simple geometric shapes that you might want to potentially use for your image.